Example 2, write the standard form of the equation of circle centered at the point -3, 5 with a radius of 5 halves, graph the circle. So again, write the standard form of the equation of the circle. So again, I'm going to start by writing out what standard form of the equation of the circle looks like, which is parentheses x minus h, the quantity squared, plus y minus k, the quantity squared, equals r squared. Write it down again and again and again and again and again until it's just so stuck in your brain you can't forget it. Okay. The center coordinate is -3, 5, which tells me that h is equal to -3 and k is equal to +5. Right. The radius is 5 halves, so the radius squared is equal to 25 over 4. You are welcome to change 5 halves into a decimal. That's 2.5. 2.5 squared is 6.25. For me personally, squaring a fraction is easy. 5 times 5 is 25 for the top. 2 times 2 is 4 for the bottom. 2.5 times 2.5 is 6.25. Use a calculator if necessary. So that's the structure of my answer. That's h, that's k, that's r squared. You want to use the decimal or the fraction? Which one? Decimal? We'll use the decimal. Okay. So the answer would be parentheses x plus 3 squared plus parentheses y minus k, or y minus 5 squared, equals 6.25. There's the equation of the circle. And again, just like with the parabola, whatever h is, you're subtracting it. Whatever k is, you're subtracting it. So when it says x minus -3, that's x plus 3, y minus 5, like that. So make sure that whatever h and k are, the opposite signs show up in your standard form equation. If I'm graphing this thing, my center is here, my radius is here, so -3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, I didn't plan this out very good at all, did I? Oh, the radius is 2.5, it'll fit. So the radius is 2.5, right? So I'm going to go 2.5 up, 2.5 right, 2.5 down, and 2.5 left. Plot your center, get your four points equidistant away from the center, and then you connect the dots with as pretty a circle as you can possibly draw, hitting all 4 dots. What? The radius was 5 halves, which is 2.5. And again, if I'm graphing, I prefer decimals for graphing because, again, 5 halves is 2.5, right? So, but again, 2.5 is pretty more straightforward. So 1, 2.5, go up like that. As long as it looks somewhat circular. Again, I've had students in the past, they don't even try. They'll just like that. The paper look like that red stuff there. So at least try to make a pretty circle. I'm not going to grade on our work, but that red thing I just had up there a moment ago, that right there, I probably wouldn't give you credit for that circle. You didn't try very hard. A lot of people, what they'll do is they'll be really good around here, and they come around like this, and everything looks good, and then they like kind of flatten out at the end. I see a lot of people getting that way, but I'd give credit for that red circle. That's a good effort. All right. So, yeah. Anyway, so again, I've been doing this a long time, and that's what mine looks like with lots and lots of practice. You guys haven't done it much, so I'm not expecting perfection on the circles. If you want a more perfect circle, though, grab a compass and just draw a perfect circle with a compass. You sure can do that. Or you can grab your circle drawing tool and make it go. That wasn't very good either. It didn't hit the dots. So there we go. Or grab your magic pen, because you guys have magic pens, right? No, shape recognition pen, that's what I want. Snaps to a circle. So use one of those tools, obviously, on your paper. You can do that. But